Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. We are always searching for the next best thing in skincare. Whether it's a new cream, serum or treatment, we want the best for our skin. We want something that will keep our skin looking young and healthy. Something that can give us that radiant glow and smooth texture. Today we are going to talk about one of the most exciting developments in the skincare world, exosome therapy. Exosomes are tiny messengers that promote healing and regeneration within our bodies. They play a crucial role in cell communication. When harnessed for skincare, they have the power to transform your complexion. Imagine turning back the clock on your skin. Get ready to learn about a game changer. This could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Exosome therapy is a cutting-edge treatment that uses these powerful little messengers. It's like giving your skin a direct line to rejuvenation. They can improve skin tone, texture, and overall skin health. The results can be truly remarkable. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of exosomes and discover their potential. You won't want to miss this. This is truly a revolutionary development in skincare. Get ready to be amazed by what exosome therapy can do for you. So, what exactly are exosomes? They are like tiny packages our cells use to communicate. Imagine them as little messengers traveling between cells, delivering important instructions. These instructions can do amazing things like stimulating collagen production. Collagen is what keeps our skin looking firm and youthful. Exosomes can also reduce inflammation. This is important because inflammation is one of the main culprits behind aging and skin damage. By calming everything down, exosomes help our skin to heal and regenerate more effectively. Think of them as tiny superheroes, working behind the scenes to keep your skin looking its best. Now that we know how amazing exosomes are, you might wonder where they come from. Scientists have developed brilliant techniques to extract exosomes from various sources. One of the most promising sources is stem cells. Stem cells are like the body's master cells, capable of developing into different types of cells. Stem cells are incredibly good at producing exosomes packed with growth factors and other beneficial molecules. These exosomes are then carefully isolated and purified for use in skincare products. It's fascinating how science allows us to harness the power of these tiny messengers from stem cells to rejuvenate our skin. Section 4, Exosome Integration, revolutionizing skincare treatments. This innovative approach is transforming the way we care for our skin. Exosomes are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into various skincare treatments. They are tiny vesicles that play a crucial role in cell communication and regeneration. One popular method is through microneedling. This technique has gained significant attention for its effectiveness. Microneedling involves creating tiny punctures in the skin to stimulate collagen production. This process rejuvenates the skin and improves its texture. When exosomes are applied during or after microneedling, they can penetrate deeper into the skin. This allows for better absorption and enhanced results. This enhances their effectiveness and promotes faster healing. The skin's natural repair process is accelerated, leading to quicker recovery times. Another approach is incorporating exosomes into serums and creams. These products are designed to deliver the benefits of exosomes directly to your skin. These topical products can be easily incorporated into your daily skincare routine. They offer a convenient way to maintain healthy, glowing skin. Exosomes in these formulations work their magic by delivering signals to your skin cells. They help to repair damaged cells and promote overall skin health. They encourage repair, regeneration, and a more youthful appearance. With regular use, you can achieve a radiant complexion and visibly improved skin. Section 5. Benefits and considerations of exosome therapy. The beauty of exosome therapy lies in its remarkable benefits for the skin. This innovative treatment harnesses the power of exosomes, which are tiny vesicles that play a crucial role in cell communication and regeneration. Exosomes have been shown to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, making the skin look more youthful and vibrant. They can improve skin tone and texture, giving you a smoother and more even complexion. Minimize the appearance of scars, which can be particularly beneficial for those with acne scars or other skin imperfections, and even help with conditions like acne, reducing inflammation and promoting clearer skin. The best part? Exosome therapy is generally safe and well tolerated with minimal side effects. However, as with any skincare treatment, it's essential to choose high-quality products from reputable sources to ensure the best results. Look for products that clearly state the concentration of exosomes, as this can impact the effectiveness of the treatment, and are backed by scientific research. This ensures that the products you use are both safe and effective. If you're considering exosome therapy, consult with a dermatologist or a qualified skincare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your skin type and concerns. They can assess your needs and recommend the most suitable treatment plan for you, ensuring you get the best possible results. Remember, investing in your skin is an investment in your overall well-being. Healthy, radiant skin can boost your confidence and enhance your quality of life.